Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and as you can see here, we've got the suggestion that we have to, maybe not have to, but our device suggests us to secure our phone. Of course, you can tap on it and then you will be transferred to proper settings. If for some reason it won't appear, just scroll down and find the security. Now let's scroll down again and find the device security. As you can see, on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it, and here we have to add an additional screen lock. We can pick the pattern, pin or password, so pick the option you like the most, and it is very important to set it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let me pick the pattern, let me draw it, let's tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here you can decide what will be displayed on the lock screen, so you can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Just make sure that the option you would like to set is marked. So I will pick this one and tap on done. And here we've got the information that we will be able to unlock our device with the fingerprint. The sensor is located on the screen, so let's start. And as you can see, we've got the sensor, and this is the, let's say, our fingerprint. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition. So change the position of your finger. Okay, and as you can see, we've got the information that we just added our fingerprint. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the fingerprint settings. So here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So we can use it for unlock, and this option is defaultly activated, but we can also use it for privacy and app encryption. Under it, we've got the animation styles, icon patterns, we can decide if we want to show the fingerprint icon on the off screen. Here we've got also the fingerprint list, so this is the fingerprint we just added. After tapping on it, we can rename it if you want to. What's more, we can add the fingerprint, so add another. Here we've got the fingerprint authentication, so after tapping on it, you will be able to check your device, not device, but the fingerprint. So renaming your fingerprint, it's quite useful if you will use this authentication, this test, because your device will just tell you which fingerprint you just put on the sensor. Here you've got also the on-screen fingerprint instructions and privacy statement. Of course, as I said, here you can change the animation styles. You've got plenty of options to choose from. All you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one, and we can change the icon patterns. So it's really up to you which you like the most. Let's leave this one, for example. Okay, just go back. So after customization, we can check if it is actually working. So let me lock the device. And as you can see, we've got the sensor right here, the icon, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, it has been immediately unlocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.